Hey, what's up, guys? Joel Benavides with the BlokSquawk podcast. Today is the 14th of December. It is 10:02 a.m. here in the Central Time Zone, San Antonio, Texas. Universal Time. Let's take a quick peek at that before we get started. Just for common reference, is... I'll get there eventually. 16:03. So, we are going to get started with today's podcast. Going to try and get through all this kind of quickly because I got a bunch of crap I got to do. My car's a mess. I need to go and clean it, and then I have an appointment after that. So, let's take a look at coin360.io. If you look on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, you can see that coin360.io has enabled, they announced it a while back, that they were going to have a heat map, not just for coins, but also for the exchange. If we click on the menu, you can see that the exchange option is available now. And so here we have it. Here's the exchange. BitMEX is up by 26.5%. Let me see another few exchanges that I use right now. We can see Binance right here up 31%, and pretty much all of them. I saw where was Coinbase? Coinbase was somewhere around here. I was taking a look at it earlier. There's Kraken, Fat Bitcoin, Wobi, and here we go. Coinbase Pro up 46.6%. So I'm going to leave it there for a moment, just so that you can take that in. Bitstamp is over here up 34.25 points. So, yeah, pretty neat. You can get an idea of what the markets are doing and any standouts. But overall, positive vibes coming from the exchanges. Let's move on. With that being said, and then we're going to knock out the squawk here in just a moment. Okay, so before I get started, a squawk is like an auctioneer style readout of market conditions, prices, etc. This ranking number right here is the market cap, the order of the market cap going. We'll skip around a little bit. These are my favorite coins, going from 142 gas, which is a derivative of NEO, all the way up to Bitcoin at the top. We'll go over trading price, which will be in most cases accurate within a tenth of a cent, and 24-hour change as well as weekly change, and those figures, as I squawk them out, will be relatively accurate. I'll also mention 24-hour traded volume, and that will be accurate within 100,000 USD. So that covers that. I always kind of throw that disclaimer out there. And again, nothing you hear in this podcast, as you heard if you're listening on the podcast, is trading advice. But for those of you who may be watching on YouTube or Twitch, nothing you hear in this podcast is trading advice. As you saw at the beginning of the screen, right here, you can see over there, not financial advice. Follow me on Twitter. Okay, so that's gonna do it. Let's get back into it, and then we'll knock out this squawk real quick. Okay, so coming in at 142 gas by the same symbol, trading at $1.63. That's down 6.14% on the day, down 6.45% on the week. 24-hour traded volume 271,000. Electronium ETN in at 64th, trading at 0.6 cents, down 6.16% on the day, up 3.68% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 272,000. Augur REP in at 53, trading at 6.22, down 4.79% on the day, up 0.46% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 1.4 million. Byte BTM in at 51, trading at 7 cents, down 3.84% on the day, up 4.08% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume is 1.7 million. Verge XVG in at 46, trading at 0.5 cents, down 3.08% on the day, down 4.28% on the week. 24-hour traded volume was 877,000. Digibyte DGB in at 43rd, trading at 0.7 cents, down 6.25% on the day, down 18.85% of the week. 24-hour traded volume 1 million. Gemini Dollar GUSD in at 42nd, trading at 99.7 cents, down 0.64% of the day, down 1.84% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume there, guys, with 18.1 million. Icon ICX in at 41, trading at 19.2 cents, down 5.75% of the day, down 6.1% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 3.8 million. Lisk LSK in at 35, trading at 1 and 12. Down 5.77% of the day, down 4.4% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 2.5 million. Ontology ONT at 34, trading at 49 cents, down 7.4% on the day, down 9.65% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 6.5 million. Quantum QTUM in at 32nd, trading at 1 and 73, down 7.58% on the day, but up 11.26% on the week. 24-hour traded volume was 116.6 million. And basic attention BAT in it, 29th by market cap, trading at 13.1 cents, down 3.56% on the day, but up a relatively flat 0.03% for the week. And 24-hour traded volume on BAT, guys, was 3.7 million. Standby one. Okay, 0x, in at 28th, trading at 29.3 cents, down 2.89% of the day, down 2.36% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 6.9 million. VeChain VET in at 27th, trading at 0.3 cents, down 5.94% of the day, down 10.81% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 4.9 million. Tezos XTZ in at 23rd, trading at 37.6 cents, down 4.32% of the day, down up 10.74% of the week. 24-hour traded volume there, guys, was 1.7 million. Dogecoin DOGE in at 21st, trading at 0.2 cents, down 1.47% of the day, down 0.83% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 17.4 million. Moving into the top 20, guys, now top 20, skipping over 20 and moving into 19. 19th place by market cap, Zcash, ZEC in at 19th again, trading at $50.69. That's down 4.82% of the day, down 5.63% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 111.9 million. NEO by the same symbol in at 18th, trading at $5.63, down 5.56% on the day, down 4.25% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 109.6 million. Ethereum Classic ETC in at 17th, trading at $3.70, down 4.69% of the day, but up 2.78% on the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 101.3 million. Dash by the same symbol in at 16th, trading at 60.61 cents, down 6.07% in the red for the day, and down 2.99%, nearly 3 points for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 108.9 million. NEM by the symbol XEM in at 15th, trading at 6.3 cents, down 7.93% of the day, down 8.58% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume 9 million. IOTA by the symbol MIOTA in at 14th, trading at 21.5 cents, down 4.9% of the day, down 4.2% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 6 million. Binance BNB in at 13th, trading at 4.64 cents, down 4.43% of the day, but up 3.65% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 15.1 million. Monero XMR in at 12, trading at 41.81, down 2.8% on the day, down 6.52% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume there was 11.6 million. Cardano ADA outside the 10 at 11 by market cap, trading at 2.8 cents, down 6.13% of the day, down 1.14% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 10.3 million. Moving into the top 10 now, guys. Top 10, Tron TRX in at 10th by market cap, trading at 1.2 cents. That's down 3.44% of the day, but up 0.27% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume on Tron, guys, was 50 million. Bitcoin SV, BSV, new kid on the block, in at 9th by market cap, trading at 75.33, down 11.28% of the day, down 26.83% on the week. 24-hour traded volume was 71.5 million. Litecoin LTC in at 8th, trading at 23.19, down 4.07% of the day, down 6.58% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume there was 315.8 million. EOS by the symbol EOS in at 6th, trading at 1.84, down 6.41% on the day, but up 9.2% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 602.1 million. Tether USDT in at 5th, trading at 1.01. Stellar XLM in at 4th by market cap, trading at 10.2 cents, down 8.27% of the day, down 8.92% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume there was 67.1 million. Moving on to the top 3, Ethereum ETH ETH in at third by market cap, trading at $86.19, down 4.96% on the day, down 1.75% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 1.7 billion with a beat, guys. XRP in at second from the Ripple company. That's Ripple XRP in at 29-hour correction, trading at 29.2 cents, down 4.08% of the day, down 2.93% of the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 309 million. Correction, 309.2 million. Bitcoin BTC in at first, of course, trading at $80.83, down 4.36% of the day, down 3.4% of the week. 24-hour traded volume on our beloved Bitcoin, guys, was 4.4 million. Overall market cap 103.6 billion. 24-hour traded volume across the markets was 11.8 billion, and Bitcoin dominance still a little high today at 55.1%. That's going to do it for your coin market cap readout. Coin market cap data, I should say, aggregated by Apogee Crypto. So let's get that out of the way, save some of that RAM. And let's take a look at the news. So I was front running the news earlier. Whoa, hold on, can I slow down? So I took a look at this, and we're gonna kind of look briefly at like the last hour as well as like trending, and we're not even gonna hit all of those because nothing like super crazy in the news today. 13 minutes ago from coindew.com, top Bitcoin books to read in 2019. They did a book review. 34 minutes ago from blocked.com, Ripple's XRP trades near bottom of range. New 2018 low coming. 35 minutes ago from usethebitcoin.com, high profile NFL stars join crypto powered football league. That's kind of cool. 46 minutes ago, I'm not into football though. 46 minutes ago from cryptobriefing.com, Crypto Briefing puts out a video on an introduction and analysis to EOS, guys. That might be a cool thing to check out. And 51 minutes ago, Porsche arranges 170 million loan using BBVA's blockchain platform. 52 minutes ago from trustnodes.com, Bitcoin Cash falls below, another one on Bitcoin on BCH, falls below, or I'm sorry, this is in addition to Ripple, the XRP report that we saw. Bitcoin Cash falls below Ethereum's price for the first time. Is this the end for BCH? Yeah, as we know, all that drama happened between Craig Wright, Roger Ver, Bitcoin Cash, BSV, and so BCH took a hit, and BSV pulled ahead. That may be, and I never followed up on this, but I should. Maybe I'll get it next time around. That could be a result of BSV's Craig Wright selling a large chunk of his Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash in order to pump BSV. And it may have worked because BSV is up there. It had a trying week just like any other coin, but anyway. 54 minutes ago, Cointelegraph.com. Guys, as far as like news goes, I know Crypto Panic adds a lot of these other sources in there. For me, the top 3 crypto news sites is going to be Cointelegraph, CCN, and CoinDesk. Like those are the heavy hitters as far as I can tell, and we get all those on Crypto Panic. Let me see. 56 minutes ago, EOS statistics at chainsage.com, new cryptocurrency market data site. Ooh, that might be cool. But I wonder if it's crypto or EOS only. Let me see. U.S. Credit Union Blockchain Consortium joins R3 Global Ecosystem. That was from Cointelegraph. I skipped over that one. Hour ago, Bitcoin breaks below key support level, creating new 2018 low. Yeah, well, we were talking about that before I started the podcast. We were looking at the chart and noticing that a few hours ago, Bitcoin began trading below that 3,200 range. So, but it didn't close. It didn't close below 3,200. I don't know. Maybe that's changed in the last 30 minutes. And we'll take a look at it in a moment. 1 hour ago, Bitcoin breaks below keys on another one. Let me see. An hour ago from zycrypto.com, feeling pressure from Ripple. Swift CEO Gottfried Leibrandt quits. Yeah. So those are kind of cool. Let me see. If you don't mind, I'm going to take a moment in the stream real quick. I'm going to take some liberty here. and post these. Let me see. Hi everyone, we've recently launched our crypto pricing site we've been working on for a few months. This is ChainSage. Yeah, so it looks like it's all crypto, not just EOS. But I guess the EOS, it cited EOS because that was posted on the EOS Reddit. Guys, I'm having some technical issues here, obviously. Well, we'll come back. We'll come back and take a look at these. And I mentioned this in the last couple of streams. I wanted to kind of try and go over my top crypto traders list. I have this list of top traders that I had aggregated from like the interviewees on the top trading podcasts. And so, you know, if like any of these guys were coming out and being featured on some of these like high volume trading podcasts, I would add them to my list, top traders. And that list got up towards 300 members, watching 300 Twitter accounts. And so what I did was I went through it and I kind of whittled it down to crypto traders and exclusive traders. And I ended up with these 59 members. Now, some of these guys also trade outside of crypto, like Steve Burns comments on crypto, but he's not necessarily a crypto trader. Patrick Rooney hosts like a pretty big Telegram for crypto. That's TT Crypto, stuff like that. But getting to my point, I mentioned that I wasn't going to really run through this or front run this the way I do the news, because it's just sometimes takes a while. You have to jump into the stories and stuff like that. Ramp Capital, BTC USD close to breaking the non-important 3K level. Price to book gets cheaper every day. This one might be cool from Steve Burns. Steve Burns is always coming out with really good stuff for traders. You need to follow him. He's at S. Joseph Burns. William O'Neill's 10 trading principles. I need to take a look at that, so I'm just gonna, I haven't read it yet, but I'm going to retweet it so I can take a look at it later. Trader Life posts 6 productivity tips from people who get stuff done. At Coinigy, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. 12 days of Coinigy Christmas. Use promo code DASH at checkout for 25% off your annual subscription. Oh, I had I use this image for my desktop image now. How traders described. So Steve Burns came out with this post before this one, asking traders to describe their trading in one word. And so a lot of people responded because a lot of people follow Steve Burns. And so I guess he made this word cloud from all those words. You can already see like the comic of errors in this thing. Let me see. Learning, sodomy, boring rules, cat sniper, patience. I put slow, chartholic, hunt, spicy, roller coaster, shit, process, Uranus. Somebody had even put, I can't see it right here right now, but somebody had even put wrecked, like, you know, like the BitMEX Twitter account wrecked. Yeah. So anyway, pretty cool. And I retweeted that. So, but yeah, like I was saying initially, I'm not going to get too deep into trading over Twitter. This is kind of cool. A computer inside your contact lens allows you to record videos, surf the web, facial and object recognition, and take photos via. Yeah, dude, I'm waiting for this to happen. Like, I am seriously waiting for this, and that's awesome. You'd be like, oh, hey, like when you walk up to your friend from high school and you can't remember their name, you're like, oh, John, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in forever. Yeah, that's sick, dude. I can't wait for this to go down. Freaking sick. Okay, so gonna get out of Twitter here. Let's take a look at the charts. So, oh, there it is. It already started. We're looking at the hourly chart. So I posted this right around this candle, and it looks like we are on our way down. We're trading below 3,200 support. Volume isn't especially high, so in the next say 40 minutes or 37 minutes or so, we may pull back a little bit, and that could end up just like this one, which is a little wick hanging below the support line. When it comes to drawing, I don't really, I mean, I'll lend a little credence to it, but I don't always look at the wick. I mean, this candle definitely had volume, but it closed well above, so I wasn't too sure about this one, but we'll see. I don't think it's going to retrace and end up coming back here, and we won't get bunny ears. So this was a flag that we had seen on BitMEX in the last couple of hours, and stochastics now approaching oversold territory. And I was talking about how stochastics have this tendency to stay in oversold or overbought territory for extended periods of time in the midst of a strong downtrend, right? So like we can see right here, let me see, prices ranging between approximately 33.50 on up to about 35.46, and that was a strong downtrend over let me see, the course of 0-100 UTC all the way to 1600 UTC. And that was yesterday to today. Yeah, so in the midst of a strong downtrend, stochastics will stay on one side of the indicator or another, and that's also visible. Let's move out. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Obviously, we've been in this strong downtrend since the 14th, and for the majority of that time, stochastics on the daily chart have also been in oversold territory. We popped above it briefly on the 28th of November, but came on back down. We're still wholly inside this downward pitchfork. And we were just looking at that pitchfork action in the hourly chart, but here when we look at it in the daily, we can see that we're still in it. And I was leaning towards this bull flag continuing, just because we're in the overall downtrend. I wasn't expecting a breakout, and we had previously tested this support, so I think it's safe to say that we'll continue to see a downtrend today, and probably continue to do so over the next few days. We may even have like a really strong, say, $300-400 drop, if not more, within the next 2 or 3 days. So, not trading advice, but in my opinion, this is a short situation. That's gonna do it. I just wanted to look at price action with you guys. I really don't have anything else for you on the daily. We're somewhat close to the EMAs, but well below all these other moving averages: the 200, the 100, the 50, 21. So there you have it. I'm gonna, when I get done with the stream, I'm gonna get in here. I had been telling myself that I was gonna start building historical support and resistance lines below 3,200, and I just haven't gotten around to it. But I think this afternoon is going to be a good time to do that. I will try to be back tonight around 0001 UTC. We'll see how things work out. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. We're moving into the weekend. And so I hope you guys have a good time. I'm going to get out of here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, whatnot, what have you, hit me up on Twitter. I'm at Joel Benavides. And let me put that up on the screen right here. Yeah, right here. Right here, at Joel Benavides. And I'll talk to anybody. Time now 10:28, and we're making our way out. We'll see you guys later. Cheers. Bye.